All right, here we go, guys. Group break 119, dubbed the Fire Starter Mixer. 2 17-18 MVP, 2 Peachy regular. WM Bad Boys got Chicago, and he gets the Vegas because he ended up on top after the randomizer for the shot at the Vegas patch. All the way down to Ben with the Jets. Good luck to all. We will do one of each. Start with MVP, doing Peachy, and then end off with MVP again. Good luck, guys. Thank you all for filling it up. 2 breaks down in one night. That's awesome. 8-8-5, and we're slowly getting there on Premier. Hopefully that goes on Sunday night. There is a filler posted as well, guys, if you want in on it. $12 a spot. 10 spots currently left in that one. It's the flyer. Nice, Gord. Finished it all, eh? Gord went to Anton's apparently tonight. It's supposed to be really good. I've never heard of it. I'll have to go there, I guess. Boom, to start off for the Pittsburgh Penguins, silver script, Sidney Crosby. Boom sauce for the Pittsburgh Penguins and Eki. Break over. Boom.
Thanks, kid.
Jack Eichel puzzle piece for the Buffalo Sabres. Jakub Voracek for the Philadelphia Flyers, silver script. Tyson Jost, rookie for the Colorado Avalanche. This kid's going to be good too. Mr. Yost is going to be good. For the Boston Bruins, David Backes, level 2 blue. And Braden Holtby credentials for the Capitals. Calvin Pickard, silver scripts for the Colorado Avalanche. Shane Doan puzzle piece for the Arizona Coyotes. Yeah, I'll have to go there one time. Never heard of it. But judging by your guys' reactions, it's pretty good. Level 1 credentials, Matt Duchene.
Oh, yeah, I know where it is.
For the Dallas Stars, Dennis Gurianov, a rookie. And level 1 blue for the Philadelphia Flyers, Shane Gots to be here. David Krejci for the Boston Bruins, MVP silver script. Sam Bennett puzzle piece for the Calgary Flames. Shea Weber, silver script for the Montreal Canadiens. Come on, Otto. Brock Boeser for the Vancouver Canucks. That kid's gonna be good too. Oh, and a puzzle piece for John Klingberg and the Dallas Stars. Mr. Boeser. Everyone in Vancouver is gonna be after that kid. Franz Nielsen, level 3 blue for the Detroit Red Wings. Level 3 blue is 1 in 40 packs. Corey Crawford, credentials for the Chicago Blackhawks. Patrick Marleau, level 3 gold for the San Jose Sharks. Level 3 gold is 1 in 48. It's the purple that are really sharp printed, right? Yeah, purple. It's the purple ones that are really sharp printed. Some people might disagree with you on that, Betsy. This guy's going to be good too. Charlie McAvoy, rookie for the Boston Bruins. And a silver script, Ryan O'Reilly for the Sabres. I'll be collecting this kid this year. Charlie McAvoy. Tanner Pearson puzzle piece for the LA Kings, and a level 2 access Henrik Zetterberg for the Detroit Red Wings. Washington Capitals, Wes P. Number 4 of 25, silver script numbered. TJ Oshie. There you go, Wes. Short print. Starter mix. Mikko Koivu for the Minnesota Wild, level 1 gold. Mikko Koivu, Minnesota Wild. And that completes the first box of MVP. Remind me, I gotta.
Don't think this is the place for you, bub.
What? What?
It's all tomato sauce.
I'm sure they have Alfredo and tortellini and stuff too.
Fettuccine. Yeah. And that's about it.
Box number is 564. You're getting cold, kid?
Oh, they do have white sauce.
Oh yeah, I'm sure they do. Every Italian place does.
I'm gonna mention this to Anna.
They probably already know about it.
I don't know. So she'll know though exactly. This isn't officially told. And half the boys don't even like it with their ships and my
Brad Marchand mini for the Boston Bruins, and a marquee rookie of Jakob Forsbacka Karlsson What a name. Forsbacka Carlson for the Bruins as well. And a Thomas Vanek retro. John Tavares, glossy for the New York Islanders, and a Brett Connolly for the Washington Capitals. Columbus Blue Jackets team checklist and a Josh Morrissey retro for the Jets. Issa Lindell for the Dallas Stars, glossy, and a Matt Bolesky retro for the Bruins. It wouldn't start many fires though. It's a mini. It's a mini Sibley. You need a couple of them. I sure have a couple lying around that you can buy off me and burn all you want. Teuvo Teravainen glossy for the Carolina Hurricanes, and a James Neal retro for the Preds. Soak it in gas first. Marquee rookie Jake Dodson for the Tampa Bay Lightning, and a Paul Martin San Jose Shark retro. Oh, I know you guys are. 2011 is a sour year for you guys, I know. For the Vancouver Canucks, glossy Daniel Sedin.
Something the other day walking his dog.
And Andrew Shaw, retro for the Montreal Canadiens. '11 was a great year. That's all I'll say. Max Pacioretty, 10 of spades for the Montreal Canadiens. Anaheim Ducks team checklist. And a season highlights for the San Jose Sharks, Patrick Marleau. Jonas Donskoy, glossy for the San Jose Sharks, and a Nicholas Backstrom mini. Apparently some of these minis come numbered too. They're hand numbered or something. Saw it the other day. PA Parental retro. John Hayden, marquee rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks, and a marquee rookie retro Rasmus Anderson for the Calgary Flames. Corey Perry glossy for the Anaheim Ducks, and a David Perron retro for the St. Louis Blues. Daniel Winnick for the Washington Capitals rainbow, and Toronto Maple Leafs Zach Hyman retro. William Nylander Mini, that's a nice one, for the Buffalo Sabres. Nylander Mini, and a Josh Ho-Sang marquee rookie for the Islanders, with a Mikael Granlund for the Minnesota Wild retro. That Nylander is nice, I think, anyway. He's supposed to be one of the go-to rookies this year. The other Nylander. Buffalo Sabres glossy checklist for the Buffalo Sabres, and a Ryan Miller retro for the Canucks. Canuck. Joe Pavelski, 9 of clubs, San Jose Sharks. Team checklist, Tampa Bay Lightning, and Chris Letang, Pittsburgh Penguins retro. Austin Matthews, season checklist, or season highlights for the Toronto Maple Leafs, and a Philadelphia Flyers team checklist retro. Halfway through the box. I couldn't imagine breaking a 12-box case of this. This would be painful. So long. 5 of Hearts, Shea Weber for the Montreal Canadiens, and Adrian Kempe, marquee rookie for the LA Kings, with a marquee rookie retro, Gabriel Carlson for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Jack Rosevic, a retro for the marquee rookie retro for the Jets. Braden Holtby retro for the Washington Capitals. Patrick Laine mini for the Winnipeg Jets, and a Braden Holtby leaguers for the Washington Capitals, along with a Brett Seabrook Chicago Blackhawk retro. Team checklist, Philadelphia Flyers glossy, Francois Beauchemin retro for the Colorado Avalanche. Chris Domingo, marquee rookie for the Ottawa Senators, and a Jake Muzzin retro for the LA Kings. Jake Allen for the St. Louis Blues mini, and a Jake Gunsel for the Pittsburgh Penguins retro. Arizona Coyotes team checklist, and a Jimmy Howard retro for the Detroit Red Wings. Alexander Barkov glossy, and a Devin Dubnyk for the Wild retro. Barkov for the Panthers. See a patch. A bad glossy Mitch Marner for the Toronto Maple Leafs, and a Matt Duchene retro for the Colorado Avalanche. Toronto is Dits. Griffin Molino for the Vancouver Canucks rookie. and a Marion Gaborik retro for the Kings. Queen of Spades, John Tavares for the New York Islanders, and a Seth Jones retro for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Marquee rookie for the Boston Bruins, Charlie McAvoy, and a Jakob Markstrom retro for the Canucks. There's another Marchand Firestarter 7 of Spades glossy for the Boston Bruins, Brad Marchand, and a Justin Folk retro. Who has Boston anyway? Heck, he does. Ottawa Senators team checklist and a Mark Letestu retro for the Oil. Only Marchand seems to get some reaction. At least Leon Draisaitl for the Oilers, and Austin Matthews, league leaders, and a Connor McDavid retro, league leader. There you go, Oilers. Oilers is the Ben. And final pack of the first box of Opc is a Morgan Riley for the Toronto Maple Leafs glossy and a Joel Ward for the San Jose Sharks retro. And that is first box of Opc. All right. Is it super short printed? 482. There you go. McDavid super short printed. There you go. Ben, nice hit for the Oilers. Whoa. Camera down. Oh, it's the award winners that super short printed? Oh, okay. Still a nice card nonetheless. It is McDavid. So. All right, MVP. Halfway through the break. So this second half. Good luck to all. Max Pacioretty for the Montreal Canadiens. Silver script. Oops, sorry, that base goes over there. Nikolai Kuradales for the Anaheim Ducks, rookie. Easy, Betsy, relax. Nobody's in a rush to get out of here. Christian Fisher for the Arizona Coyotes, silver script rookie. Jake Gunsel puzzle piece for the Pittsburgh Penguins. What are you in a rush for? To go play with your cats? Sergei Bobrovsky, level 3 blue.
Is that your payback?
For what?
Before?
Martin Brodeur, level 1 VIP access for the New Jersey Devils. New Jersey's his kid. I believe that's one of the short print ones. See level 1 credentials. It's 1 in 67 packs. 1 in 2 boxes. Duncan Keith silver script for the Chicago Blackhawks. Different cases. Grocery. Mike Hoffman puzzle piece for the Ottawa Senators. Clayton Keller for the Arizona Coyotes. And Jerome McGinn, silver script for the LA Kings. Clayton Keller, he's going to be a good one too. Arizona is grocery stick. Brett Ritchie, level 1 blue for the Dallas Stars. Riley Smith, silver script for the Florida Panthers. Level 2 access, Derek Stepan for the New York Rangers. For the Ottawa Senators, numbered 10 of 25, Mike Hoffman. Silver script short print, or whatever they call these things. What do they call these things?
Because I'm a woman.
Superscript. These are superscript. For the Ottawa Senators. Put him with his buddy over there. Ottawa Senators is Kid TNT. Corey Schneider, level 3 gold for the New Jersey Devils. Rasmus Ristolainen, silver script for the Buffalo Sabres. Credentials level 1 are not very, they're very common. Like 1 in 8 or something. Josh Ho-Sang, rookie for the New York Islanders. And a puzzle piece, Braden Shen for the Flyers. Credentials level 1, I think, is 1 in 8. Yeah, 1 in 8. Credentials level 1. Credentials level 1, Nikita Kucherov for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Bo Horvat for the Vancouver Canucks puzzle piece. Alexander Barkov, level 1 gold for the Florida Panthers. And a level 1 access Mark Scheifele for the Jets. For Benny and the Jets. Evgeny Shevchenko for the Detroit Red Wings, rookie. And a Mikhail Bodker, level 2 blue for the San Jose Sharks. To end off MVP. All right, here we go. Last box of Opc. Let's hopefully get a patch. 560. Only pulled 1 patch from the case, and I think I still have 6 boxes. Can you go somewhere else if you're gonna die in the background, please?
You know, it's your fault for giving me this.
That's not mine. I didn't give you laryngitis. I never had it.
Fuck yourself.
Shh. Easy with the language. There's children in the room.
I'm completely fine before your comment.
What comment? Children in the room. Betsy's in the room. Come on, be relaxed. What's up, Dubar?
You work all day.
Connor McDavid, season highlights glossy for the Edmonton Oilers, and a Vladimir Tarasenko retro for the Blues. What's up, Duhart? Welcome back, Brad. Samuel Morin for the Philadelphia Flyers, and a marquee rookie retro Paul Ledoux for the LA Kings. Matt Reed for the Philadelphia Flyers, glossy. And a Justin Williams retro for the not Flyers, sorry, Capitals. I always win. I always win.
But then I could just smack you across the face right now.
Phil Kessel, 10 of Hearts for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Kale Kosila for the Anaheim Ducks, marquee rookie. And an Alex Killorn retro for the Tampa Bay Lightning. These packs are tough. They're not easy. I'll send you a box to open. Oh, we got a patch. We have a patch, guys. We have a patch. Save that for the end. They are tough to open. They're not easy like the MVP ones come out easy. These ones you got to go like this and then pull it down. I think because of the Rapper Redemption program, they made them harder to open up so they stay together. Devin Dubnyk mini for the Minnesota Wild, and Betsy that she's not going to get. Just kidding. New York Islanders, Jason Tamira retro. New York Islanders team checklist and Jonas Dunskoy retro. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, kid. I haven't seen too much of it open, so I don't know. Somebody else might know. Tyson Jost mini for the Colorado Avalanche, and a Connor McDavid season highlights for the Oilers, and a team checklist retro for the Oilers as well. Poop.
No, really.
Well, you ain't exactly hurrying. Anaheim Ducks rainbow, or not rainbow, glossy. Kevin Bieksa for the Ducks, and a Jakob Silverberg retro for the Ducks as well. Nick Dowd, a retro for the Kings. Did I miss a rookie or something there? Yes, I did. Johnny Brodzinski for the LA Kings. Brodzinski. I can't even say it. Brodzinski. 4 of Hearts for the Arizona Coyotes, Max Domi, and a Victor Hedman for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Retro. Nine of Spades for glossy, Tyler Seguin for the Dallas Stars, and a Mike Hoffman retro for the Ottawa Senators. LA Kings team checklist, and a Vasilevsky retro for the Tampa Bay Lightning. You can't eat it all anyway. Ekman Larson mini for the Arizona Coyotes. And while she's dying in the background, season highlights Joe Thornton, and a Zdeno Chara retro for the Bruins. Blake Wheeler for the Winnipeg Jets, glossy, and an Erik Karlsson retro for the Ottawa Senators. Alex Nylander for the Buffalo Sabres, rookie, and a Blake Coleman marquee rookie retro for the Devils. Duncan Keith, glossy for the Chicago Blackhawks, and a Thomas Hertl for the San Jose Sharks. Retro. Another Marchand base for Firestarter. Carter Rowney for the Pittsburgh Penguins, rookie. And a Teuvo Teravainen for the Carolina Hurricanes, retro. Dmitry Orlov, glossy, and a Michael Frolik, retro for the Calgary Flames. Whoever I am, I will get back to you at the end of the break. Stay patient. Mikko Rantanen for the Colorado Avalanche, and Dan Renault, marquee rookie for the Detroit Red Wings. Eric Comrie, marquee rookie, retro for the Jets. He's supposed to be pretty decent too, from what I've heard, Mr. Comrie. What's up, Daryl? Great Asian. How are you, buddy? Evgeny Kuznetsov, glossy for the Washington Capitals, and a Ryan Spooner, retro for the Boston Bruins. Good, man. How are things with you? Johnny Gaudreau, 8 of Hearts. Team checklist, Carolina Hurricanes, and a Brett Pesce retro for the Hurricanes as well. Still got that box on the shelf for you, but clearly authentic. Cam Talbot, Edmonton Oilers glossy, and a Brock Nelson retro for the Islanders. I will. I'm going to see him tomorrow. I'll message him tonight. I forgot to message him earlier, but I can still put in the order. League leaders: Washington Capitals, Washington Capitals. Sorry, Minnesota Wild, Ryan Sutter, and Dallas Stars, Tyler Seguin. Damn, I'm getting all the teams wrong. Yeah, I'll let you know pricing as soon as I hear it. I'll put in order for it. No problem. Cam Atkinson, 3 diamonds. Sergei Bobrovsky, Columbus Blue Jackets, league leader. New York Islanders, Ryan Strome, glossy, and a Sami Vatanen retro for the Duckies. Yes, Daryl, in mid-October is our plan. We're going this weekend to look at it and plan it out. Oh yeah, I will. Sorry about that, I forgot. Glossy Mika Zibanejad for the New York Rangers, and a Max Pacioretty for the Montreal Canadiens. Phil Kessel retro for the Pittsburgh Penguins. What's up, Big King V? How you doing tonight? Riley Barber, marquee rookie for the Washington Capitals, and a Marian Hossa retro for the Hawks. I forgot about those 100 glossy Glossy Mini for the New York, or not New York, sorry, LA Kings. Enze Kopitar, and a Charlie Coyle for the Minnesota Wild Retro. Yeah, you can't really tell the difference between the numbered ones and the non-numbered ones. I figured that out the other night. Alex Galchenyuk Mini, and a Robbie Russo for the Detroit Red Wings rookie, and a Henrik Zetterberg Retro for the Canucks. Brent Seabrook, this one's numbered to 100. There you go, there's the first one. 20 of 100 for the Chicago Blackhawks. And Luke Glendening Retro for the Detroit Red Wings. Daryl. Team checklist, Florida Panthers, and a Mark Giordano Retro for the Calgary Flames. You got one patch to show, and I'll look for those number cards as well. All right. It's probably easier just to turn them over. There's a numbered card. There's a numbered card. There's a numbered card. Oh, we have a blank back too. We have a blank back too. I forgot about those that are in there too. All right. Those are all the surprises. All right. So the blank back, we'll do that last. So these are the numbered cards that I missed earlier. Cam Talbot, numbered to 100. 25 of 100, Cam Talbot. Johnny Tavares, numbered to 100. 17 of 100 for the New York Islanders. Buffalo Sabres team checklist, numbered to 100. Number 4 of 100. And, oh, for the Jets, Jack Rosavec is a blank back. There you go, Ben, for the Jets. Nice hit there. Here's a blank back retro rookie. All right, so that's a nice blank back there. And the patch is for upside down. Looks like it's for the Philadelphia Flyers. And a Nordstrom retro for the Philadelphia Flyers 50th anniversary patch. Philadelphia Flyers. Cameron, congrats, buddy. Nice hit. There you go. And that's the end of the break, guys. Not bad. A few nice cards in there. A few nice low numbered parallels and all that. Thank you guys all for joining. And I'll get that off to you guys soon.